In this video, I'll be showing you how to make curry goat. And here we have our seasonings, our thyme, everyday seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, mild Madras curry powder for the extra, and the key ingredient, curry goat seasoning. Then you have your selection of vegetables, your potato, onion, sweet peppers, ginger, the good old Scotch bonnet, our good friend, good friend. And then we have our thyme and coriander and garlic. Now, the coriander, that one there, we'll be using that at a later part of the cooking process, as well as the potato. So don't chop those up too early. Okay. Key ingredient again is this vegetable stock. And of course, the main character of the day is the goat's meat. This has been cut up quite thick by the it's like the dices are big, so I had to cut it up a little bit smaller, as you can see here, and this will allow the meat to cook a bit quicker, and also it just looks better on the plate. So if it comes big, cut it small. And now I've just added all the seasonings together. Now you may be looking at that thinking, oh my gosh, like that's a lot of seasoning, Serena. Well, it's a lot of meat. You're gonna need it. So once you've done that, mix it up, let it marinate overnight just so you get the maximum flavor, and then you can start the cooking process in the following morning. As you can see, the meat is nice and marinated, so we're going to begin to get the chopping on. Make sure you slice your onions, don't dice them. All the other vegetables you can dice them up nice and good. Wouldn't it be nice if I could actually chop this quickly? Like, Gordon Ramsay would be paying me coins to work in his kitchen. But never mind, I'm just a mere mortal. It's okay. So yeah, once you've chopped all of that, put it aside. Throw your garlic in, about a tablespoon. Add in all your vegetables, as you can see here. Give that a good mix, good spin around. And now we're going to take this to the fire. Now get your curry goat seasoning, and what you're going to do is put some oil in a pot. Make sure the pot is hot. Please don't watch the pot. My pot is very old. It's as old as me. It's about 30... you know what, never mind. But yeah, what you're going to do is burn the powder just to get the bitterness out of the curry powder, and also to enhance the flavor. Now don't blacken it, just burn it a little bit, and once you do that, you can start adding the meat. And as you can see here, I am just trying to brown off the meat as much as possible. This is a long cooking process, so it's not gonna be a 30-minute job, but just brown it off. And once you've done that, add in your potato and add in your coriander, and you just throw it on top, basically. And as you can see, the juices of the goat are already coming up, which is great. And all you need to do from here is just add boiling water. Don't immerse it, don't fill it to the rim, but just try and cover the majority of the meat, and that will be perfect. Then add in your stock cube or stock oval, as you can see, and you're going to give that a good mix, as I'm about to do here. Now don't watch the stirring, because I'm trying to record with one hand and stir with the other, so please, mercy. But yeah, give that a good stir, and get the good old Scotch bonnet, pop that on top. Word of warning, when you go to stir your meat, take the Scotch bonnet out, because if that bursts, hey, fire. Now, I would advise you to check your pot every 15 minutes. Just give it a stir, just to avoid any burnt bits or anything sticking at the bottom. Keep in mind that the meat might take an hour and a half to 2 hours to cook, depending on the toughness of the meat. Give it a taste as you go. If you feel it's lacking anything, add in a drop of garlic, drop of pepper, whatever you need, drop it in there, and then just let that cook through. on the low heat, medium heat should I say. And as you can see here, my gut is complete. I removed the Scotch bonnet because I really don't want that to burst, as I mentioned before. And now I'm just giving the meat a good prod just to make sure that it's tender enough for me to take off the fire. I was happy with it because the meat was flaking away, which was great. So yeah, that is me completed with the cooking process. Now, if you want to add something to this, you can add probably white rice, rice and peas, macaroni and cheese. And as you can see here, I've done macaroni and cheese and white rice with a little bit of coleslaw. Gotta have the coleslaw. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'll have the description, ingredients and cooking process in the details below this video. Good luck.